At some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your motion detector. The battery life of a motion detector can vary based on a number of factors, such as high traffic areas or extreme temperature environments. Your motion detector is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before changing the batteries. Your motion detectors are made to remain closed tight, but are also simple to open when needed. Open the motion detector by loosening the screw at the bottom, but being careful not to remove it completely, and then lift gently. There is a small keeper that enables the screw to tighten securely that can fall out if the screw is removed completely. Remove the old battery and replace with a new 3-volt lithium battery. Make sure to observe polarity. Replace the lid and tighten the screw. Then perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery message. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Motion detectors use 3-volt lithium batteries CR123, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or directly from us. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines. If you have any questions or problems with your system, feel free to give us a call.